Welcome everyone to Mind Your Business with Darlene Pierre Lewis. I am Darlene Pierre Lewis, and I am so grateful and thankful for you streaming, listening, or watching us on 4Jasper TV, on YouTube, ESSI Consultants, or any of the 11 radio stations that we are affiliated with. I want to thank you for helping us have a successful year this year, because without your help we could not be standing here almost closing out the third quarter of 2024. Can you believe that? It's going to be 9 months gone. So, Mind Your Business today is going to talk to you about proper planning. A lot of times we fail to plan. That means we plan to fail. Because if you don't plan, then you will, because everything will go on without you. Change is inevitable. It's going to continue whether you want it or not, whether you like it or not. So let me tell you something about Mind Your Business. We started with this on the radio. Yes, it was a noontime, middle of the week on a Wednesday, and we just wanted people to take care of not just their business, but their health, their mental health, their physical health, their clothing, their time with family, managing work and life balance. And we, in 2017, I believe we did a business rescue. And a lot of people liked that we brought in mental health counselors, we brought in doctors, we brought in nurses, we brought in photographers, we brought people from across the board. In fact, we even brought a chef, which was my son. And so we would love to do that again. So welcome to Mind Your Business with Darlene Pierre Lewis. I am Darlene Pierre Lewis, and we're going to talk to you about proper planning. How do you plan? Many of us get up every morning and we have a strategic plan. What do I mean by that? We've been doing this in such a routine fashion that it becomes second nature that we don't even think about what we do. Some people get out of bed, they have their time of meditation, or they have prayer time, or they have a glass of water, or they brush their teeth right away. Everybody has somewhat of the same routine. You do it so much it becomes second nature. You can do the same thing in your business. Creating systems in your business will save you a lot of time. It will make your job easier. You went into business to have fun. I love what I do. I enjoy spending time with my staff when we're not just concentrating on crunching numbers as an accounting firm, but we also enjoy sitting with the clients, doing client appreciation, sending them birthday cards and anniversary cards, and celebrating with them. But we also enjoy being able to support them when there's a loss. So that's all done through proper planning. So when you plan for your business to be successful, when you plan for you to have a productive day, it goes a little something like this. So on each of our desks, we have a planner, and each of the planners have strategic plans. So we have a tab for tax preparation for individual. We have a tab for tax preparation for business. We have a tab for bookkeeping. We have a tab for accounting. We have a tab for business consulting. We have a tab for business coaching. And guess what? We are pleased to tell you, even though I've been licensed since 2017, but we are now going to push more of our health and life insurance business, because we took the classes so that we can do better tax planning with our clients, especially our business clients. But we realize that there's a real need. There's a lack of financial education. And because there's a lack of financial education, being in the financial industry, it is our duty and our responsibility not only to care for our clients, but to also care for you. You don't have to be our clients to participate. Starting in the month of October, we're going to have a lot of classes. We're going to be having English for work. We're going to be having financial literacy, basic how to put together a budget. We're going to have QuickBooks and bookkeeping training. And most importantly, everybody's been asking me for is the tax preparation class. So if you are interested in any of those platforms, please call us at the number on the screen, or I'll give it to you right now, 561-877-4662. So back to our planning. So in each of those tabs are instructions, step by step how to do this. So for example, in the tax individual tab, If a person calls the office and they want to get their taxes done, there's a script. What year do you need to get done? Because it's not always the current year. We don't assume in our industry. We ask the questions, you give us the answers. Because yes, we may be the expert at preparing the taxes, but you're the expert in your numbers. You're the expert in your business. You're the expert in what results you would like. So we work together as a team. That's part of the planning. So we go through those steps, and then we send you an email with a list of everything we need from you. We even have a portal, a secured portal, where you can upload all the documents to send to us, or you can email them to our server email, and we save those in a file for you electronically, and we have a physical folder because, you know, computers can crash. So we want to have a backup to our backup to our backup. We're a little paranoid at ESSI, okay? We have a cloud backup. We have an external backup. We just have backups. Anything could happen. So the client is walked through. We walk the client through the process so that way they're comfortable. Because I know taxes are not your favorite thing to do. I know you don't want to think about owing IRS. But now is the time to plan. So the end of this month, we are launching a special just for our bookkeeping software. Because if you go to QuickBooks right now, you go to Intuit, they're running I believe it's a 30 or 90 day half price discount, and then after 30 days or 90 days it goes double. Whereas we can get the software for you and lock you in for 2 years with that price because we are a pro advisor with them. So that's another way we can save you money. So if you want to do the math, let's say you're buying a software that costs $60 and QuickBooks is giving it to you for $30 now. Let's say it's only for 30 days. That's $30 you save. But if it's for 90 days, you're saving $90. But if you get it through us, instead of $30 or $60, you're getting it for $50. Yes, the first 30 days or the first 90 days, you're paying $20 more. But after the 30 days or after the 90 days, you're paying $60. And then another 9 months later, they may increase their price again. So you may be at $80 or $90. Whereas with us, flat $50, you're locked in and it's yours for 2 years. We also support you by creating the charts of account. What are charts of account? Charts of accounts are the categories that your expenses fall under. For example, if you are a shoe repair person, the material that you buy, the leather, the thread, the needles, all those are costs of goods sold. You need those things in order to repair the shoes so that you can charge the customer so they can pay you. So those are necessities. You need those in order. It's not a regular expense. It's a cost of goods sold. It reduces your bottom line profit. Because if you made $50,000 for the year, you spent $20,000 in material that are costs of goods sold, drop down to $30,000. I'm sorry, my math is off. So you're down to $30,000, and then you have your advertisement and your accounting and your telephone, your office expense, or other supplies that you need that are not really necessary to run your business, but you need them in order for your business to run smoothly. That's all in the planning. So creating systems, writing things down, having a good software for bookkeeping or accounting. A lot of you are using Square, PayPal, you're using FreshBook or Zoho. There's so many different platforms. Whatever software you choose to use, take advantage of their tutorial. Make time to work on your business, not only in your business. A lot of time we spend so much time working in our business, we don't even know what's going on in the business really, because if we're in nail tech, we're too busy painting nails or putting on tips or designing. We don't know that we're running low on nail polish remover or cotton swabs, or the dryer battery is about to die. You didn't think about that, or you don't have the one that has a backup plug-in. A lot of those things are working on your business. You need to take time and sit back, not book any customers, and look at your inventory, look at the work that needs to be done, and then balance your time that way. So my name is DERLINE Pierre-Louis. You're watching Mind Your Business, or you are listening to or streaming Mind Your Business with DERLINE Pierre-Louis. And today we are talking about planning. If you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. So we covered all the different tabs we have in our office, and we keep track of what we're doing, who we're working on, what tasks we're working on. We check emails periodically throughout the day. And so what we do is when you send us an email, we will respond to you. If you call the office and we're not available to answer you, we will call you back if you leave a voice message. We get so many robocalls. We get so many people who call us by accident or they dial the wrong number. If you do not leave a voice message, we do not call you back. We don't call missed calls because we want to spend our time working on our clients' books and also working on our business so that we make sure our numbers are not looking funny. So Mind Your Business with Darlene Pierre Lewis is brought to you weekly. And the reason we bring this is because we want to empower you, to encourage you, to help you fall back in love with your business, your mental business, your physical business, your family business, your respite time business, your playtime business. Balance the whole aspect of your life and you will enjoy the money that you're making in your business. So what else do we fail to plan for? We all feel young, we're healthy, everything's working for us. We fail to plan for our retirement. We fail to plan for kids going to college. Yes, your child is very smart. They may get a full scholarship and then they may not. So you want to have that cushion. It's not living in fear, it's called planning. So when you plan, let's say you put money aside in a 529 plan for your child and they end up getting a full ride, that 529 allows you to do, it's got more flexibility. It allows you to do other things. So this year, starting, I believe in October, we're going to start the classes. But I believe when Obamacare opens, we're going to be using our satellite office to provide you with tax preparation, Obamacare health insurance. We're also going to be hosting classes, financial literacy. I am so excited because we have a lot of things going on. So Economic Solution Services Inc., aka ESSI, is located at 1375 Gateway Boulevard, Boynton Beach, Florida, 33426. At that location, we are going to be housing and hosting our bookkeeping, our accounting, and our business consulting and coaching like we've been doing in the past. Our satellite office at 3212 Lantana Road, Lantana, Florida, is going to help assist with the Obamacare, the life insurance, and also the TPS and any minor immigration programs. So we're excited. And then there's one more. We partnered up with Hearts Association and Boynton on Gateway, and we're going to be hosting classes there, English for work, financial literacy, and also the tax preparation and the bookkeeping classes. So we have been working. So when you haven't seen us or heard from us, it's because we're behind the scenes working on our business. See that? You like that? Working on our business so that we can help you work in your business better and make a profit. So with that said, don't forget, without the knowledge that you need, our people perish. If you don't know something, you don't know. You don't know what you don't know until you figure it out. So we're here to help you, and we would love to be able to partner up with you and to help you excel. We want you to go to the zenith. We want you to be able to have a system in place where your business is operating without you. That's what a true business owner does. If your business depends on you, depending on your type of business, I know doctors, chiropractors, and sometimes nail technicians, sometimes you have to be there. But there's a lot of things that other people can support you. Your supporting team can provide services for you that doesn't require you to be there 10, 12 hours a day. You can come in and put a good solid 4, 5, 6 hours and get the work done that only you can get done. And then your team is there and they're equipped with the tools that they need in order to help you be a better version of yourself. And you help them be a better version of themselves if you provide them with the system and you provide them with the tools. So if you need our help with any of these things that I've talked about, do not hesitate to call us. 561-877-4662. And that is a wrap.